我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，闭着眼睛欢声它不会停。
This angle is much better.
What are you guys doing?
I've never seen one of these in other heights, right? First time I've seen it. Oh, you know what I want to do?
Is your job still stable?
My job's stable, because it'll always be cancer.
There will always be cancer.
Yeah, I'm going back to the cancer people.
If anything, there's...
I got an extremely bright headlight, so if you want to... Oh, I thought this was stuck with trail. Let's take it out.
Let's eat lunch.
Charlie, what do you want to do?
Lunch.
You want to eat lunch?
Lunch.
Is this the place or is
Wait, we're not even... We're barely halfway there.
No, we're 30% away.
Dude, that's barely halfway.
So we're taking pictures?
Yeah, that is my name. My name is Mr. Disabled. No. I feel the Achilles actually. I should take a picture of you.
Funny, why did you take a tourist? Are you climbing up that?
Yeah, we are.
I'm engaged. Let's go.
It sounded fake the second time.
Yeah, it sounds so fake, right?
Okay.
I thought this was an easy hike.
Huh?
It's very scary.
Is it scarier than Big Sister?
Yeah, you can't die on Big Sister.
Evan?
This is the hardest hike ever. You could die here, Johnny.
Don't know.
It's a cliff. Are you nervous?
Yeah?
Yeah, all of them seem really nervous.
我曾经跨过山和大海，也穿过人山人海。我曾经拥有着一切，转眼都飘散如烟。我曾经失落失望，失掉所有方向，直到看见平凡才是唯一的答案。我曾经毁了我的一切，只想永远的离开。我曾经堕入无边黑暗，像挣扎无法自拔。我曾经像你像他，像那野草野花，绝望着渴望着，也哭也笑的平凡着。我曾经跨过山和大海，也穿过人山人海。我曾经问遍整个世界，从来没得到答案。我不过像你像。
But there's more ice falls beyond this if you want to see it.
So we're at the Green Monster.
Yes, we are.
We are here.
It's actually kind of dangerous. I'm not gonna go there.
Can we go behind?
I'm not gonna go.
Let me try it.
I'm scared. Just be really careful about icicles though.
Holy. I see. I'm not gonna go any deeper. I refuse to go any deeper.
What's further
I'll take a
up?
photo and that's it. This is
So what's inside here?
claustrophobia cave stuff. Oh, that is really cool.
Can you walk inside a little bit more?
Oh shit. That is so cool. Stick the camera through that hole. Wait, can you get a photo for me?
Justin, were you driving on purpose? Justin?
You caught me. You caught me. Holy. Oh, I'm so embarrassed right now. Wow.
Okay, why do you look like a Teletubby again?
What?
I didn't know Johnny's really into vlogging now.
为何现在只剩下风吹乱我的发，撕开忘记的伤疤，让往事像雾气慢慢的蒸发，让我知道什么叫放不下。为何我的泪会不停的流下，划过你曾经亲吻的脸颊，所有的对错在顷刻